Hey guys, today we got
Taba Marshmallow.
this is the candy version of this Taba squishy. As y'all see.
We got some sprinkles in the little squishy.
It's like a marshmallow. Look guys. Ooh, it's falling. Pull. What you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Okay. You want this one or you want the real squishy?
Real squishy.
You want the real squishy? Look, it can be a squishy too, look. It's a squishy. It's squishy. No squishy. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.